The Social Justice Changemaker Lecture is provided by the Hawkins family as a way to elevate the efforts that we make to change some of the biggest social problems of our time. And this year, we chose to focus on mass incarceration. It's one of our society's most tremendous challenges. Today, we focus on the interplay of being incarcerated and the making of art, and how does art bring reintegration into the community, how does it bring healing, how does it speak and educate others. And so we're really excited to bring all of those ideas together today, and to welcome Ruben Miller and Nicole Fleetwood to talk about their work.
For over a decade, I have worked with currently and formerly incarcerated artists on a series of programs, including exhibitions, public events, symposia, and really the goal is to use art to transform our criminal legal system.
Yeah, so today, for the Changemaker Lecture, I'll focus my comments on what life is like when people come home and the extraordinary efforts they have to make to build a life for themselves. I think it takes a ton, intellectual, creative, emotional effort to be able to kind of rebuild the life. And I think if we look to people who've experienced conviction and time on the inside, we might find a way out of this conundrum that we've built for ourselves over the last 50 years.
My name is Marjani Abdurrahman, and I am a senior at the University of Michigan, Dearborn, majoring in health and human services with a concentration in social work. I'm here today because I will be performing a monologue that I created that's based off of life after incarceration and trying to get a job and maintain a job and the struggles and obstacles that come with that. I wrote this because I actually have a testimony of that and experienced that being incarcerated after 8 years. But I've overcome it, and I'm still overcoming it, and just trying to be the best that I can possibly be.
Social work, the intersection of social work and arts was very pivotal for me. I started getting involved in Shakespeare in prison and just art in general through literacy and opening myself up to different poems like Shakespeare and plays and participating in that. Just gave me a new focus and a dynamic and an outlook on life.
It's really fantastic that Nicole and Ruben chose to take the time to be here today. We really think bringing in outside speakers to address critical change and how you can make it happen, that really can stimulate a lot of action by students and faculty and actually the whole region.
Those who know me know that I'm an interactive person and I'm bubbly. I invite you to look to your right and look to your left. I invite you to just look at the person you have next to you with a warm smile. These smiles represent a power of community, the strength of connection, and the importance of seeing one another as a fellow human, rather than titles or the past we each carry. You may wonder, why do I ask you to this? Because a smile could help someone get so far. Trust me, I'm here.